show you how to clean a spark arrestor on a 2-cycle engine.
Disconnect the spark plug wire.
Remove the plastic housing.
This will be different
on different models,
usually held on by
screws.
Remove the housings
To get to the muffler.
The spark arrestor
It's going to be on the muffler
Remove
itself.
the screws
that hold on the spark arrestor.
Screws are off.
We can get to the spark arrestor itself.
Here's the screen
that stops any sparks from coming out of the engine and igniting something on the lawn. You can see this one's not too dirty, just at the top.
Let it soak in some gasoline.
We can remove the muffler so we can see the side of the piston. Remove the screws,
then remove the muffler.
Here's the side of the piston here. You can look for scoring or marks.
The rope to move the piston.
This piston looks like it's in good shape. Put the muffler back on.
Tighten everything up.
Just by soaking the screens a little cleaner.
Scrub the carbon out with a wire brush.
Physically, scrubbing is about the only way you can get the carbon off this thing. Now you can see that screen is really clean.
Reinsert the screen. Put the top back on.
Put the housing back on. Put all the screws back in.
The handle back on.
Put the spark plug wire back on. That's how you clean a spark arrestor on a 2-cycle engine.